Hello everybody, SA Apps Info here. Hope you are well. Today I'll show you how to find Facebook drafts. It's an easy process, so let's start. First of all, open your Facebook app and let's just make a post. See like this. So if you want to find the draft, so here you can see save as a draft options, and we click on that. So we just clear the recent, as you can see. So if you want to see the Facebook draft options, just go to the Facebook and just click to the what's on your mind options. Here you can see all the things will be showing there. And if you want to find the draft options, just scroll down. In your notification options you will see an option that your draft was saved, so click on that. So click to the draft options there. So as also you can discard this or just open draft. So hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos. See you in the next one. Bye.